footing by obtaining an
Ayan,
honorable
guys.
name.
Marami na
At the
naman
age of
akong
13,
nakuhang
he'd be apprenticed to a
bunga ng
shoemaker in
ampalaya
Vienna.
sa
But by and by, he
bakod
decided
sa likod
against
namin.
being an
Ayan, oh.
artisan and instead
Ano
entered
to,
the Austrian mining
native
department.
ampalaya lang yan.
He advanced rapidly as a
Tumubo lang
customs
siya.
official and was
Tapos,
ultimately promoted to the highest
umakyat na
civil
dun
service
sa
rank
may
open to a
bakod
man
sa
of his
likod.
education.
Ayan.
He was fond of appearing as the representative
Siguro
of
tanim nila
constituted
dun sa
authority
kabila,
on
kaya lang
public occasions,
lumampas
and made a
lang
point
siya
of
dun
being
sa
addressed by
bakod.
his correct title.
Galing sa kabila
One
ito.
of his associates in the customs office called
Tanim
him
nila siguro, and then
strict, precise,
yung sa bakod
even
lumampas
pedantic.
siya.
And he and Philip held a relation
ba to?
who asked his advice
Parang
about his
tumawid sa
son's
bakod
choice of
yung mga ano
occupation.
niya,
That working for the treasury demanded absolute
ibang bunga
obedience
niya.
and sense of
Kaya
duty.
ayan, pag hindi
And that it was not
hindi
for
namin kukunin,
drinkers,
syempre
borrowers,
masasayang lang.
hard
Kaya
players,
ito,
and other people who go
marami
in
na
for
naman akong
immoral
nakuha,
conduct.
guys, kaya papakbitin ko na naman
The
siya.
photographs that he usually had made